Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the Fairywill E11 electric toothbrush. Now we just got it from, it got delivered from Amazon, and I wanted just to show the unboxing of it. So for those of you who out there who want to get it, you can be able to look at the video and see what you'll be getting. What I thought was really nice, especially with COVID going on, is it was wrapped in plastic. I went ahead and took it off, and when I took it off, I was thinking, you know what, I should just do a video on it. So anyway, I liked it that, I sprayed the packaging and wiped it down. And what's nice about it is, because it was wrapped in plastic, I can go ahead and touch it. So this is what it looks like. It's nice size. It's very nice size. So let me measure it out real quick so you can see how long it is. Yeah, it's around 9 inches. It's so cute. So anyway, let me go ahead and open it on up, and then we can get a good idea of what's in it. Ooh, it's tricky. Well, actually, it's not tricky. I'm just having a hard time with it. There we go. Okay. Oh, I can just push it from the side here. There we go. Oh, I like the way it's packaged. So here's a toothbrush here, and then I guess this is the cord, and these are the toothbrushes. So there's nothing inside of this. I like the way it's packaged. It's pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and hold it up so you can see it. There it is. This right here doesn't have anything in it. It's empty. I'm going to go ahead and put it aside. And then I'm going to open this up. And these are going to be the brush heads, I'm guessing. And it's supposed to come with 8 of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 of them here. I like it. They're neatly packaged. So I'm going to put that there. And then we're going to open up here and get the cord out. Maybe they're in the rest of them. Nope. They're in here. So that's there. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then here is the cord. I do wish you would have came with the adapter part that you can plug in, but that's okay. You can always just buy one of those. So here's the cord right here, and it does come with a, so you can keep it organized, so it's not stuck to anything. Well, maybe I can make it stick, so I can wrap it around. Here's the cord here, and there's a little hole right here. Do you see it? So I'm just going to go ahead and put it through. Maybe that'll keep it. Maybe not. Hope maybe it could stay on it. Or maybe if I do it the other way. Oh, well, no. So anyway, that's not working out for me, but it doesn't mean it won't work out for you. So anyway, putting it through that doesn't matter. But it comes with it. So there's the cord. So we have these taken care of. Now let's see the actual toothbrush, and then below it here is the instructions. So let's go ahead and open it on up. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep it pretty. Take that on. Oh, now it seems like it's trying to stay. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it on up. And there, good enough. So let's open this on up. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, so here it is, and I'm taking it on out. Take that off of it. And here it is here, and it's super thin. It's super thin, it's light. So I can, let me see if it already has a charge. Oh, look at that. Wow. It is really vibrating. So I haven't read the instructions, but I'm going to hit the button again. And let me see what it's on. Should be wearing my glasses. That's on the whiten part. The whiten. Let me see. Oops. Trying to see the different settings on here. It'll be in the instruction booklet, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it on. And then when you hit it again, it just took it down again. It's for the different settings. So it's doing something else. So this one has a couple of settings on here. It looks like it has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 settings. So I do think it right off of the bat that as soon as you get it, that it's automatically already charged up. Not bad. So anyway, this is what it all comes with. It's pretty nice looking. I'm going to go ahead and charge this up, but if you're thinking of getting the Fairywill E11, this is what it looks like as far as the unpackaging. It's really nice. It is nice. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'm just going to go ahead and put these back in the packaging, because we're not going to need all of them. You just have to put one on the head. And I'm going to see if I can fit all of them in here, because they came with the cord too. Let me see if they'll all fit. Yeah, it all fits, but it's kind of nice that it wasn't all crammed in, so that's fine. And then the cord here, I'm going to go ahead and put it back in for now. But this is what it looks like. It's in my hand. You can't do a comparison by the way my hand looks or whatnot, but I can get the thing out so you can see it. It measures roughly around not quite 8.5 inches. So this is what it looks like. So I'm happy with the purchase. And then of course here, which is nice, is the instruction booklet. That's kind of cool. And then it has a little card here. Join us. Register and join the Fairywill membership and our official website. Okay, so they don't have anything where you're getting anything. What does that say? It's not too light in here. It says discount voucher. So, not really much of anything there, but you know, that's still, you know, nice. It's fine. So anyway, there you go. The Fairywill E11 electric toothbrush. Pretty nice. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and definitely God bless.